Mathematicians and scientists are socially awkward men who wear glasses, at least according to children. In several studies, according to the Journal of Applied Social Psychology, when children were asked to draw a mathematician or a scientist, girls were twice as likely to draw men as they were to draw women. But we all know that women are successful in all these subjects too. Here are some of them.
Irish successful women.
Irish successful women. Jocelyn Bell Burnell. She is an astrophysicist from Northern Ireland who, as a postgraduate student, discovered the first radio pulsars in 1967. Kathleen Lonsdale. She proved in 1929 that the benzene ring is flat by using X-ray diffraction methods to elucidate the structure of hexamethylbenzene. Eleanor Maguire. She's a neuroscientist who uses different types of brain scanners trying to understand how memories are formed and remembered by the human brain. Kathleen Lynn. She was an Irish politician, political activist, and doctor. She was so greatly affected by the poverty and disease among the poor in the west of Ireland that she decided to be a doctor. Nora Patten. She has been selected to become Ireland's first person in space as part of a mission on board Virgin Galactic's second generation of spacecraft. Deborah Leifer. She is an art historian turned engineer. Her research aims to prevent damage to buildings above tunnel excavation by developing a 3D modeling system. Sarah McCormack. She is Associate Professor of Civil Structural and Environmental Engineering at Trinity College Dublin. Kathleen Curico. In 2020, she and two companies developed the COVID-19 vaccine. She was nominated for the Nobel Prize in 2021 and 2022, but she only received it in 2023. She became Hungary's first Nobel Prize-winning woman.
Hungarian successful women.
Hungarian successful women. Eva Kondorosi. She's a Hungarian biochemist who's known for her work on ribozyme legume symbiosis. She has been a member of the National Academy of Sciences since 2010. Esther Paschke. She was the first female Hungarian architect and a structural engineer. She designed a number of iconic buildings in Hungary, Austria, and America. Maria Telkas. She was a Hungarian-American biophysicist and inventor who worked on solar energy technologies. Veronica Adam. She's a doctor, a biochemist, a medical researcher, a professor at Smallways University of Medicine, Budapest.
Turkish successful women. Muazzez İlmiyeçi. Turkish archaeologist and Assyriologist who specializes in the study of Sumerian civilization. She is also a prominent advocate for secularism and women's rights in Turkey. She will be 109 this year. Afet İnan. Turkish historian, sociologist. She was one of the 8 adopted daughters of Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. She was known to be involved in the practice of physical anthropology as she measured over 60,000 skulls in Anatolia, which was aimed to support the Turkish history thesis. Türkan Saylan. Turkish medical doctor and dermatology, academic writer, teacher, and social activist. She was famous for fighting leprosy and for founding a charitable foundation called Association for the Support of Contemporary Living. Safiye Ali. She is the first female medical doctor of the Republic of Turkey and the first woman to give the medical education. Canan Dağdeviren. She is the first Turkish scientist to be elected as a member of Harvard University's Young Academy. She is the inventor of devices that convert the movement of organs into electrical energy. Özlem Türeci. The woman who found a cure for COVID-19. She found a vaccine for COVID-19. Polish successful women. Maria Curie. Marie Curie carried out research in the field of radioactivity. She was twice awarded a Nobel Prize. At the time in which she lived, it was very unusual for a woman to do scientific work and to become a professor. Agnieszka Holland. She's a Polish film and television director and screenwriter, best known for her political contributions to Polish cinema. Zofia Kosak-Sztuka. She was a Polish writer and World War II resistance fighter. She co-founded two wartime Polish organizations, Front for the Rebirth of Poland and Zegota, set up to assist Polish Jews to escape the Holocaust. Grażyna Basowicz. She was a Polish composer and violinist of Lithuanian origin. She is the second Polish female composer to have achieved national and international recognition, the first being Maria Szymaniowska in the early 19th century.
Croatian successful women.
Wanda Koczewska-Dewida. She was a notable Croatian geologist and paleontologist. Her love for nature shaped her career. She worked at the Geological Paleontological Institute until retirement. Vera Johanides. She specialized in microbiology and biotechnology. She served as the head of the Chemical and Microbiological Laboratory at Zagreb Brewery, significantly advancing the brewing industry. Theodora Pisar-Sartoris. She was born in Ukraine but lived and worked in Zagreb. She was a pediatrician and founded a children's hospital in Zagreb. Anna Bedalov. She developed software based on AI used in Croatian, Norwegian, and Chilean fish farms. She has participated in the recording of the first planet outside the solar system. Lydia Colombo. She was a mathematician and the first female doctor of physics in Croatia. Sibilia Jeleska. She's an entomologist specializing in the study of insects. She was awarded with the State Award of the Republic of Croatia for her entire scientific contribution in 2000.